Hello. In this tutorial we're going to go over the approval for the employees, the approval process. So we're going to go to Edits and Approvals, and we can see here our screen has changed quite a bit. It's a little more updated. I can see the employee approval here, supervisor approvals, admin approval. If I want to approve this, I just select sign off and then click OK. And now I can see mine, and I can see that this is completed. I could revert it if I need to for any reason. I would not use the complete circuit. What the complete circuit does is approves for each of these in one fell swoop. So I click OK or complete circuit. And not everybody will have this option. But if you do, you'll notice what happened. It approved it for everyone. I really don't care for this, because if I end up in court with Brian, I don't want a judge asking me why I approved Brian's time card for him and for his supervisor. It's not necessary to do this. If the supervisor and the employee both are not able to approve it, you can still sign off. That does block the time card, and no other changes can be made by the supervisor or anyone else unless an admin goes in and reverts this approval. So pretty much works the same way as the old system did. It just has an updated UI. I could come in here and click the top, which selects everything, and down at the bottom I could click sign off or revert everything, whichever I needed to do. So I could go back to, let's say, this pay period. I've only got one person here. Click here, sign off, OK. OK, and there it is. So pretty easy as far as that goes. One of the other things they've done here is maybe I want to see all the employees at the top who have approved it, and then below those who haven't. I just click here. Maybe I want to see the highest number of hours down to the smallest to be able to see if there's any issues perhaps. So I just click on regular time. I can do the same with my overtime or double time. PTA is going to be paid time away, and that's going to be vacation, sick, holiday, things like that. And again, I could sort that by clicking on this, sort the overtime by clicking on that, and the same with the double time and the total time. Supervisor approval, admin approval, different who approved by what, sort by card ID, and also alphabetically. So kind of nice as far as that goes. And you've got your filters up here that you could choose, and these are just Bobby's employees, maybe a specific department, and these are the only people in that department. So that's what the upper filters, if you will, are right up here to be able to utilize. So that's all there is to approving your employees with the new HF3 update. Thanks for watching.